Hi there, welcome back to Lena's Kitchen. Today we will be preparing magdalenas. Magdalenas is a recipe from Spanish cuisine. I have been baking this recipe since my teens. Let's get started and share it with you. You can use any cup you want. I have 1 cup of eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of milk, and 2.5 cups of flour. In a bowl with a hand mixer, mix your egg with your sugar. Beat your eggs until you get white, fluffy, foamy, and light texture. Add your oil little by little, without stop mixing your butter. It's kinda you are making a homemade mayo. Whenever you finish with your oil, go to your milk. Pour your milk little by little like you did with oil. Beat everything well. Whenever you finish with your milk, you will get a light butter. Now it's time to add our flour. I added my flour that I have sifted before. Sift your flour twice and put your baking powder with your flour. In this step, just mix your flour with your butter until everything will incorporate well, but don't overmix it. If you overmix your butter, you will develop a gluten in it and you will not get fluffy and foamy magdalenas. At the end, incorporate your orange zest. Orange zest will give your magdalenas very good taste and flavor. Fill your magdalenas halfway, and I filled some of them less than halfway. For those who I did fill them halfway, I will sprinkle some sugar on the top, and other ones I will sprinkle some chocolate chips on the top. Always clean your tray to avoid burning smell when you bake your magdalenas. Sprinkle some chocolate chips and sugar on the top. Bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take out your magdalenas from the oven. Check them with a wooden stick. If your wooden stick is clean, let them cool down before eating it. Look at these beauties. Yum, yum, yum. My sugar magdalenas are very fluffy, airy, light inside, and crunchy outside. And those with chocolate chips are very fluffy and tasty too. Better way to taste them is to try my recipe and bake them at home. Hope you will like my video and you will try my recipe. See you in the next videos. Bye!